Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to use the developers tools of Google Chrome browser in your PC or laptop. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to open Chrome browser, select profile, maximize it. Now you have to press the keys which I'm showing on your screen. So you have to press Ctrl Shift plus I. I will show you on your screen. Just wait a minute. Okay. You have to press this key which I am showing on your screen, Control plus Shift plus I button. You have to press this key and I will show you how to open your inspect element in your Chrome browser. So Control plus Shift plus I. Okay, now you can see here my inspect element window is open. Now you have to follow the step which I'm showing on your screen. You have to go to here three dots. Now go to more tools. Now here you can see developer resources in this menu. Click on it. Now element, it will open element tab in which HTML and CSS adding can be done. So you can inspect, edit and modify web page HTML. For example, you can change text, color or fonts instantly of any website or any web page according to your need. You can also check for how fast a website loads. You can show how to find images, fonts and scripts loaded on a page. So for that you have to go to here layout and you can check everything, show track sizes, show area names, extend grid lines and many more. You can also generate a report to check website speed and SEO by following through this inspect element feature. And you can also change a button text using element tab and you can edit CSS to change a web page background color. And that's it guys. Now you know how to use developers tools on Chrome browser. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.